Hi everyone! So far we have learned quite a lot. I never went into the details why nouns have particular ending, because I didn't want to confuse you, but today we'll start with the whole explanation. In this lecture we'll cover cases with pronouns. There are 6 cases in Russian, so the next 6 lectures cover 1 case each. Let's get to it. There are 6 cases in Russian and each of them is used for a different purpose. To determine which case to use, it's good to know the questions for cases. So in this lecture we will cover nominative case. Кто, что, who, what. The nominative case answers the questions who or what. It is an initial form. All books and dictionaries give nouns in the nominative form. Я здесь. I am here. Here, я is in the nominative form. Местоимение. Pronoun. Именительный падеж. Nominative case. Кто, что. Who, what. Я. I. Я люблю фрукты. I love fruits. Ты. You. Ты любишь фрукты. You love fruits. Он, оно. He, it. Он, оно любит фрукты. He, it loves fruits. Она. She. Она любит фрукты. She loves fruits. Мы. We. Мы любим фрукты. We love fruits. Вы. You. Вы любите фрукты. You love fruits. Они. They. Они любят фрукты. They love fruits.